right, good evening. Just a quick update on the rain gutter trial that I'm working on. So the peas have come up. So we've got a couple peas here that you can see starting to reach above the lettuce. The lettuce and the peas, pretty much everything was starting to grow up into my grow light. And so I figured it was about time to move this out into the garden. And what I've done before starting the video is I've just gone through and started trimming and thinning out some of the lettuce and the arugula. So I've got a bowl here, nothing crazy big, but a good amount of basically just baby greens that I've cut off and thinned out. Basically just too thick for the amount of space. So you see here there's 6 different arugula plants growing right there. So I'm just going in and thinning out some of these. It's kind of tedious, I'll be honest, trying to be meticulous in my snipping. I see another pea right here, another one here. But yeah, I've gone through and just thinned out. You see right here, there was a really dense clump of lettuce that I've cut out. But yeah, this is one way that you can start to get some greens for salads. And really, as you start to look at this, like this plant of arugula right here, you see I've cut off a couple leaves. So that's a technique called cut and come again. So basically you can go in on arugula and lettuce when it's not a clumping head and go in and cut off some of the outer leaves, and you can eat those, and then the plant will keep growing from the center. It'll send up new leaves, those will grow, and then you can get more greens from there. So yeah, just went through, thinned it out just a little bit. I got my bowl that I'm gonna eat here later tonight, and then I'm gonna go try and get this transplanted out into the garden. So we'll update you on that in a little bit.